Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to screen record and show you all the settings and features that come on this device's camera. So I know a lot of you viewers are probably planning on buying the S21 Ultra and you would like to see exactly what the camera settings and features are. So yeah, I thought I'd share this with you all. So this device has a main shooter on the back, which is 100 megapixels wide camera, and also it has two 10 megapixel telephoto lenses with 3x optical zoom, and it has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera also, and the front facing camera is a 40 megapixel camera. So yeah, I'm going to start off by showing you all the different filters. Okay, so we have original, warm, cool, lolly, frosty, blossom, ivory, faded, soft, kiss me, grayscale, classic, and black and white. And beside the filters here, you have an intensity bar, and you can adjust the intensity of the colors. So I'm just going to put it to original. And then here we have my filters. So we have original, roof, shadows, monstera, and palm. And once again, you've got the little intensity bar there that you can slide and adjust. And then here we have a little plus sign. So you can tap here to make custom filters from your own pictures. Okay, so here we have face. But instead of an intensity bar, we have a smoothness bar that you can slide up and down to adjust to your liking. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so below the filters, we have the different video sizes. So we have HD, which is 720p at 30 frames. Then we have full HD at 30 frames, which is 1080p. Then we have full HD at 60 frames. Full HD Auto, Ultra HD at 30 frames, Ultra HD at 60 frames, and then last but not least, 8K at 24 frames. And then below that, we have the different ratios. So we have full screen. This is the one I prefer to use. And then we have 1:1, which is a little window. And then we have 16:9, which is almost full screen, but not quite. And then below that, we have super steady on or super steady off. And guys, the camera feels very warm. I'm recording this, and trust me, I can feel the heat coming from the camera. This is a known issue. I hope Samsung can sort it out. Trust me, guys, right here by the camera lens, it feels very warm. And I've only been recording for 4 minutes so far. But wow, it's actually getting very hot. Okay, so below that we have the flash option. So flash off, flash on, and flash auto. And then down here at the bottom, we have all the camera settings. So we have advanced recording options. So high efficiency videos, record videos in HEVC format to save space. You may not be able to play HEVC videos on other devices or share them online. HDR10 plus videos, labs, optimize the contrast and color of each scene by recording rear camera videos in HDR10 plus. A supported device or service like YouTube is needed to play HDR10 plus videos correctly. And then we have zoom in mic, match the mic zoom to the camera zoom while recording videos. Then we have video stabilization on or off. Useful features, auto HDR, capture mode. So capture more details in the bright and dark areas of your shots. Tracking autofocus, keep the camera focused on the selected subject even if they move. Grid lines, location tags, add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. Shooting methods, so press volume key to take picture or record video. Zoom in or out, control system volume. Voice commands, floating shutter button, show palm. This is a really cool one. Show palm, show your palm to the camera to take a selfie or start recording with the front camera. Okay, settings to keep. So camera mode, start camera in the last used mode, such as video, instead of always starting in photo mode. Selfie angle, keep the angle you last used for the front camera instead of always switching back to normal angle. Filters, keep the filters you've applied to each mode instead of removing them when you close camera. And then there's vibration feedback. Reset settings. So if you've made any adjustments to the camera settings, but you don't quite know how to put them back to the original normal settings, you would select this option here, reset settings, and your camera settings will go back to the original default settings, just like day one when you first got the device. And then there's contact us. That's if you have any issues. There's a contact us option, and then about camera. And here it says I'm using the latest version and it's already installed. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so here we have single take. And photo mode. Okay, so this camera has 100x zoom, guys. So I'm going to zoom in on my uncle's house, just over there, see if he's in. So that's his house over there, that window right there. So let's go ahead and zoom in, see if I can see if he's in his room at home. I'm guessing he's at work. So that's 100x zoom, guys. I'm looking right into my uncle's bedroom window there. I can even see the marks on his window where he's been wiping his windows. Okay, so I'm going to get up and show you exactly how far I've just zoomed in. Give you all a better look. So there's his window, guys, up there. So as you can see, the distance is very far. And I was sat all the way over there on the couch. Okay, so that was 100x zoom, guys. Oh, right here, guys, we have the selfie timer. So you can set the timer as to when you want to take a selfie. So you've got 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 2 seconds, or you can just keep it off. Okay, I've already showed you all the video options. Okay, so for video, you can only zoom to 20x. So video camera doesn't have 100x zoom. The highest it goes to is 20x. Then we have more option here. So we've got Bixby Vision AR Zone. And if you select AR Zone, you can use the AR emoji camera, AR Doodle, AR Emoji Studio, AR Emoji Stickers, Deco Pick, and Quick Measure. Then we have AR Doodle here as well, Pro Mode. And if you're a camera fanatic, you've got all these different settings and options here that you can use with the Pro Mode. And then we have Panorama Mode. You should all be familiar with this. It's been around for a long time. And then Food, Night Mode, Portrait Mode, Portrait Video, and Pro Video Mode. And once again, got all these different options here that you can adjust and play around with if you like to shoot video in Pro Mode. And then the super slow motion video, slow motion video, hyperlapse, and then director's view. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Let me just take a look at that 100x zoom again though guys. It's really incredible. Let me see if I can see any birds up in the tree. No birds. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Please do like and share this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you're getting this device for the camera and all that good stuff. Just remember to like and share. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.